Chilly with the stray dog. Hi, stray dog. Hi, buddy. Where are you going? Buddy. Wait, come back.
That's called foster dog. Oh, he's leaving.
Where are you going? He's running right back. I was gonna go investigate the dog. Someone can go get Merle. Hey, buddy. Where are you going? There's some people coming to get you. We don't know you.
No, if they don't find it, then we can keep it for the rest of the day.
No, we are not keeping him.
That's what Mom said. I did.
That is not what Mom said.
Yeah.
No, that is not true. Don't sit in my Kindle. Thank you. What are you doing?
Olivia, whatever your name is.
What are you doing?
Water and fill it.
How best is of you? She put some water in her.
Fill the bowl with it.
Yeah, fill it all the way up. No, you're not going inside. So your mom, is that true? Isn't there someone coming to get him? Yeah, see, Libby, someone's coming to get him.
Now, if he has a chip, like Merle has a chip, then they can scan it, and then it'll pop up where he is.
And you get to go back home and be happy.
So when you buy a dog nowadays, a lot of times if you get them from the SPCA or a pet store, they'll microchip them. Like all of the cats have a little teeny microchip, and Merle has a microchip.
Look at your black and white.
Basically, they take a little, I don't know, it's like a needle, and they stick it in it, and it's got this little tiny computer chip. And so if you ever get lost, the person has like a machine, and they go beep it, and it'll pull up the last place you lived and the name of your owner and phone number.
What are you doing?
So they can send you so they can bring you home. It's basically like a map, which is weird.
What are you doing? Say hi. Say hi. I'm not taking a picture. I'm making a video. Yeah! Episode posting this on YouTube. Hey, boy!
Lawnmower! Get your foot back here, lawnmower!
I was gonna take a picture, but he wouldn't stay still, so I decided to make a video. I push it up there so my girlfriend can see it. Yay! Also, hi, Skella! I love you! My voice cracked, but I love you.
Oh, I forgot there's
Our own dog won't shut up. Merlin! Hey! 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 Get back!
No!
Yeah, Olivia, don't let him go through there. Buddy!
No, why?
Hey!
I'm gonna drink water on you.
Look at that butt. Look at that butt. Look at that butt.
Give me that butt.
He's doing some stuff.
Give me that butt.
Hey! Hey!
Goodbye.
Hey! 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 Shh! Hush. Sorry guys, he's a very loud, unintelligent dog. Bye! He's very, very loud. Buddy, where you going? Where you going? What are you doing? What are you doing? No, where you going? Buddy, come back.
Bye-bye.
Buddy, come back. Lucky my parents have cars that are truck and rat China that should have license plate. Dog is still going crazy. Hey, you guys ask. This is oil. It's oil. And on top it's cat litter. It's not poop, it's cat litter. And car oil. So it's, cat litter is good for soaking up car oil. Fun fact. Where are you going? Not record that.
I don't know where my coat went. I put it on.
Neighbor.
I think you took it out.
Yeah, I think I did. Nobody! No!
Olivia, stop chasing it.
I mean, he's fine.
Lawnmower! You didn't even notice the dog.
Yeah. No, he knows the dog.
No, I
Just under the dog.
Wait, his dog?
No, it's not his dog. Bye, buddy.
There's a dog.
We don't know. That's the thing. Yeah. Yeah. Our mom called someone to come pick him up. We don't know whose he is or anything. He has no collar.
I want to keep it. He's been roughed up. Yeah, I know. He's been rolling in bread. I need a lawnmower because
Come on a Facebook page.
Come here. I need
Here's
the
the
lawnmower.
Oh, come here. You want to come in?
Yeah, he doesn't like to stay still.
Oh, I don't
Pictures.
Hey.
You're cute.
Do you want water?
Yeah,
Yeah, we gave him water. Yeah.
Check the baby. You want to come inside my house?
Well, he always does. That's what he did to my house too.
Yeah, I think it's like my mom called SPCA or Animal Control to come pick him up.
Definitely can't be animal control. That's if.
Don't know what happened to his collar though. I was literally walking home from work and he just ran up and started licking me.
Where at?
Like,
Like, were you on the street or did
yeah,
it follow you?
I was on the street. Yeah, he just ran right up to me and started licking me. I was like, whoa. Honestly, he scared me for a second. Because I was afraid that he was going to bite me.
Area.
Yeah. He was going to bite me, so I was like, oh no. Then he just ran up and started
He's
licking.
like kind of scarred up around his eyes.
Yeah, he does.
Aww. Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
Aww.
Anyways, you're gonna end this video on a cute dog. Hi, dog. Anyways, see you guys. Bye.